I'm going to show you just how easy it is to manage your returns. On the left hand menu, we have the returns terminal. When you click on that, you'll be greeted by this screen. As you can see, you've got a search box up here, as well as day ranges, and you can also select an individual channel. You can also sort your orders, as you can see by the menu. And there you'll have a list of your orders where you can search by them. Once you have identified the order that you're wanting to return, you can simply click on Select Order. You then get an overview of what the items were within that order, along with a quantity of those items. You then select the item that you wish to return. You then select the quantity to be returned, and then these reasons for returns are fully customizable. These are just some examples, and you can select the reason for that return and whether it is restockable or non-restockable. If the item is non-restockable, you enter the quantity and the reason why it's not restockable. If it is restockable, then it will then be returned into a return location for you to be able to do quality control and return it into the pickable location. So when I click on Submit Return, that order has now been returned. As you can see, because it was only one item that was returned, that order is now showing partially returned. If I click on the order number, I can see the returns history, the date and time, the reason why, and whether it was restockable. And if I go into the inventory product for that product and go to the locations, you can see now that my returns location has increased by 1. By simply doing a stop movement, I can move this into another location to be put back into circulation. That is how you can manage your returns in Dispatch Cloud.